Hi, I'm Kokila Vikramasingam. Today I'm going to talk about my poster presentation. My poster presentation is Did the COVID-19 curfews or seasonal wind changes drive the drop in fine airborne particulate matter in Colombo after 20th March in 2020? The Sri Lanka announced an island-wide curfew from March 20th throughout April and into May 11th. There have been claims that the air quality dropped dramatically due to the curfews. However, this drop-off has to be attributed in part to the seasonal reversal in monsoonal wind directions. Our goal is to assess the impact of COVID-19 curfews in Sri Lanka on the air quality index, as monsoonal wind directions also reverse from coming from north and east to coming from south and west in late March. The data that we use for these calculations, we got hourly particular measurements from the US Embassy in Colombo 7. We got our air quality data from CEA, NBRO, US Embassy and the NIFS. And the wind data was obtained from the FECT automatic weather station, and the gridded wind data over the region were obtained from NOAA NCDC GIDAS dataset. Daily data obtained from the USCM were plotted by year to bring out the seasonal changes in 2020 and preceding years. Daily data was aggregated to compute monthly analysis of AQI and wind. Daily data obtaining from reports of the 5 local agencies were synchronized for analysis. The USCM observation shows that the pollution levels in Colombo were about 50% lower than in 2019. Monitoring stations run by CE and US Embassy shows consistency rather slight drop after March 2020 in comparison with weeks before. Also, NBRO and NIFS shows divergence in terms of magnitude and daily variability. These drop around March 20th in 2020 were similar to that in 2018 and 2019, as there were no curfew in this previous period. So we can conclude that the PM 2.5 observation after May 2020 were lower by 50% or more starting from January. There was a drop of around 30% in between 2 and 4 weeks before and after the curfews. However, such a drop as March ended is found in the previous years as well. The COVID-19 curfews had a subsidiary influence estimated to contribute to the 30% of the observed drop in AQI. This implies that there are local transparent sources that the function contributes substantially to the pollution. Thank you.